Hello everyone. Welcome to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Today we will talk about web designing. Web designing is a technique for designing a website. We categorize web development as front-end development and back-end development. Here in web designing, we focus on front-end development. There are a lot of opportunities for web designers in India. Now the question arises, why should you choose us? There are a lot of reasons to join ThinkNEXT, like, we provide job offers to every student during training, we also provide free PD classes and a lot more. Here students learn from experts and work on live projects. You must go through the whole syllabus. We believe in providing as much knowledge as possible to the students in the limited training period. To learn more, visit us at our corporate office or contact us at the given numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.